Good morning, family. Just want to give you a quick tip on coffee and how not to end up with a mouthful of coffee grounds, because that can be unpleasant. All right, so in the morning when I make my coffee, I usually use my stove because I don't feel like starting a fire. I want my coffee quick, you know what I mean? So got my stew pot, coffee pot, multi-purpose, man, must have. Fill that up with water, throw a scoop of ground coffee, and bring that close to a boil, set to the side, let it cool down and brew for a minute. And then to separate the grounds from the coffee or from the water, this is what I do. And you guys familiar with the lawnmower, the exercise you do with dumbbells, back exercise? You'll be familiar with this motion, so check this out. All right, check it out. Turn you all around. See any coffee grounds floating? No, sir. Go ahead and pour me up some of this, eh? Just something about cat coffee, man, that sets it apart from all other coffees. Starbucks be damned. That's where it's at.